Hi, it's Jeff Noyes from the VendorLock Hosting and Software Company here again, and this video is all about how to sell web hosting, methods that actually work, and why you should sell web hosting and why it's the easiest way to make money online right away. This video is all about how to sell web hosting and why you should invest your time into selling web hosting, and I'm also going to show you exactly how to do it, where to go, and some methods that help you sell. First of all, let's talk about why it's the best investment for your time. Let's say you're selling an ebook online. Let's say you make a sale at $7. Okay, that's great. You've made $7 and you need to make a lot more of those $7 sales to pay for your time you spent writing the ebook, putting together graphics, sales page. You might be paying fees at ClickBank or something. So yeah, to recoup your money, you're going to need a lot more than $7. Here's the problem. When you get paid that $7, the customer is basically done with that product and you. They buy it once. They may or may not read it. Many customers will buy your other products as repeat customers, and that's very important to try to get repeat customers. But they're not going to buy that same ebook again from you. I have had a very few amount over the years, maybe a handful of people who have mistakenly bought an ebook from me twice, but instantly asked for a refund and said, "Oh, I already bought this from you, Jeff," and of course I had to grant them the refund. So let's think about this for a second. If we're selling a $7 product, we're really only getting paid $7 once, and then we kind of lose the customer on that particular product. However, if you're selling web hosting, you're selling something that renews monthly, or every 6 months or every year, depending on what package they choose. But let's just go with the monthly idea for a minute here. If they're paying a monthly fee and you're getting a commission on each month, then what happens is you're getting paid over and over and over and over again for not doing any more work. The one effort you put in to make the one sale ends up being multiple sets of income monthly. So it comes back over and over and over again. So you can quickly see that investing your time into one sale of a web hosting account pays you much more, especially over time, than one sale of an ebook. Now, they both took the same effort perhaps to make that first sale, but only something like a web hosting account is going to have a recurring fee that they have to pay every month and is going to give you a payment as an affiliate. You don't even have to have your own hosting site or service. You don't have to worry about running servers and stuff like I do. All you need to do is make affiliate sales. Now, why is it a really good investment for your time? I gave you one reason right there. You're getting paid over and over and over again for the same amount of effort it would take to sell a single product of another type. But here's where it really gets even more interesting. When they order an account for a web hosting service, they are almost never going to close that account as long as the service is good. Because once people get their domain names and websites set up on a server, the last thing they want to do is transfer domain names and move websites. It's a pain in the butt. So people choose not to if they can help it. So Once you get somebody sold on a web hosting account, there's a really good chance they're going to stay indefinitely. They're not going anywhere. So you're going to get month after month after month income from the one sale you made, instead of getting paid once for an ebook and then saying goodbye to that customer possibly forever. Okay? So it's a much better investment for your time. And it's not hard to sell web hosting because people need web hosting. There's a high demand for it, and there's a lot of new people out there building websites that are just getting started every single day. So you can put your efforts into advertising an ebook for sale, or you can put your efforts into advertising a web service for sale that pays you every month over and over and over, and the customer is very unlikely to quit using that service once they're signed up. The other thing is many hosting services offer bonuses to that affiliate referral you made, such as my company, VendorLockHosting.com. We do not just pay you for the referral for the hosting plan or whatever they purchased through your link. We give you a 90-day window after that where everything they upgrade or buy on any day at any time, no matter what link they use, or even if they just purchase it as an add-on to their already existing hosting account, you get paid for that as well. Okay, and most of the products and services are 50%, so you're making half the money right there for everything they buy. Okay, so, and by the way, that includes domain names, software bundles, upgrades to their hosting account, additional hosting accounts, anything they buy from VendorLockHosting.com. And we do have a lot of software products as well, blogging software, YouTube, blog builders, lots of neat stuff. If they buy any of that stuff, you get a commission, and most of it is 50%. Some of the products are around $50, so you can get $25 commissions for a software purchase. The recurring ones, you get paid monthly. And by the way, the 90-day window is for anything they buy after that, but that is not a limitation of how long you get paid on that product. So if it's a recurring item, such as maybe they upgrade their hosting account, you're going to get paid monthly for that forever, for as long as they stay, as long as their account is open. And if they purchase something else like a domain name and they renew it every year, you're going to get paid every year for your commission on that domain name. If they purchase an autoresponder upgrade, maybe they're going to pay an extra $6 a month, you're going to get the 50% of that and get $3 a month added to what you're already making off them per month. And if they upgrade to anything else in 90 days after clicking your original link, they're going to be paying for that product or service, and that's going to give you additional income from that same customer. So what I'm trying to spell out to you here is that the best investment for your time is clearly selling a service that pays you monthly over and over and over for the one sale, and gives you huge amount of options for making additional money off that same customer if they choose to upgrade to anything, like we offer our customers at VendorLockHosting.com for 90 whole days. That means 3 months. That's 3 months. 3 months later, somebody could order an upgrade to their hosting account that you're already making money on, and you're going to get paid that additional amount of money for their domain names. Some people buy a lot of domain names. Some people buy a lot of upgrades to their hosting account because they need more of this or that. Okay? So all this works out to, bottom line, more money in your pocket. And over a year of selling web hosting, you'll have recurring fees coming in that are going to come in monthly, bi-monthly, every 6 months, every year. You're going to have a whole bunch of different groups of people that are purchasing different levels of products, and over a year you're going to see all that money come back again next year. So imagine that you work hard for a year and then you get paid all that money again next year and the next year, and it just keeps happening. Now of course you're going to always lose a few customers. There's going to be people that quit after 3 or 4 months. Maybe they're not using their website and maybe their company goes bankrupt. But that's okay, because the amount of people signing up is always larger, especially if you know how to market the service. And we'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute. But what we want to do first is get you started. So what you want to do is get started with a company that offers all those things I just mentioned. Since my company does offer you all those things, plus some really great banners and links you can use right away on your websites and video description boxes, stuff like that, you want to go to vendorlockhosting.com. Okay? Now, if you're watching this video from one of my special bundles, if it's on a page, I probably put a link or two under the video for you, and I may have given you a direct link to the register for the affiliate page there. But if you don't have that link, it's easy to find. You just go to vendorlockhosting.com. 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 Okay? Once you're on our home page here, the best way to get into the affiliate program, there's a few links, but the quickest one is the top right here. It says join our affiliate program and earn commissions. So click that. You'll be taken to the registration page. Fill in this quick form. It's very easy. You just need to put in your name and your email address and confirm your password. You should put in your address and proper zip code and phone number in the correct format as well, because if you purchase domain names for your account, you have to have this information correct. Otherwise, domain names don't register properly through ICANN. Okay, so just fill in this form. It's very quick and easy to do. If you're already a VendorLock customer, if you already have a hosting account with us or something, you can just log into your account. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this page because I'm already registered, obviously. So I'm not going to fill this in, but you need to do that, and then just fill in the CAPTCHA thing here and click register. Okay, it's that easy. Just fill in the simple fields, fill in the CAPTCHA form here. Just basically you just need to type the letters that you see to the left in the box and then click register. Once you do that, you can log in, okay, or it'll automatically log you in. I'm just going to log in now. Okay, so once you're logged in to your account here, you can do a lot of things inside this account, but what we're going to do is get you set up with your affiliate link for the main site and for a few other things. So the first thing you're going to do is go up to the middle of the navigation bar here at the end of the row where it says affiliates, and click there. Okay, and you'll be brought to the affiliate page. Now, when you first sign up, you may not see this page. It may say there may be a button that says activate your affiliate account. We have it set up so it activates immediately. So as soon as you click that button, it will refresh the page and you'll automatically be set up. Okay, so if you don't see this on the affiliates page right away, don't panic. Just click the button that says activate affiliate account. Okay, and then you'll be ready to go. Now, when you get on this page here, you're going to have a brand new account, so it should say 000, but I've tested this account a couple times just in demonstrations, so it's picked up 4 hops. Now, let me explain all this to you quickly. this is your main affiliate link. This is your affiliate ID. Okay, it's the number on the end of this link. Remember that ID. That's your affiliate ID for all products and services. And if you are using one of my special pre-built web pages to resell a product, likely you are asked to edit the affiliate link to your own affiliate ID, and that's this number right here. So you just need to, usually in a page like that, you're going to see XXX, replace the XXX. You're going to replace it with this number. Okay? This is your official affiliate ID. Now, your official affiliate link is this entire link, and this will take whoever clicks it straight to the home page. Okay? So they can order any product or service from you, and you will get the credit. And even if they don't buy the product or service that day, like I said, there's a 90-day window. So if they come back 3 or 4 times without ordering, even if they don't click your link later, like if they just click your link once and they don't buy a hosting account, but they come back 3 days later just straight to vendorlockhosting.com, you're still going to get paid, because we use a 90-day cookie system, and no matter what way they get to the website after they've clicked your link, you are going to get paid. Okay? So this takes them straight to the home page. Even if they don't buy a product or service and come back later through another link, you will still get paid, unless it was somebody else's affiliate link. Then it will upgrade the affiliate ID to the new affiliate's ID. So if you're the last affiliate to refer them, it doesn't matter what they buy or when they buy it, in the next 3 months you're going to get paid. That's a long window, isn't it? 90 days. That's 3 months that we offer you a chance to still make the commission off that same customer, even if they come back 2.5 months later and buy through a different link. Okay, so let me explain the system here. Number of visitors referred is obviously how many people click the link. Okay, if you're in ClickBank, this would be called hops. All right, now every time somebody clicks that link, it's going to give you a referred visitor number. So if I click that link somewhere, this would go up to 5. Okay, now number of signups is how many new people sign up for an account, okay, or that product or service if it's a direct link, and I'll explain that in 1 sec. Basically, this is sales, okay? Now, by figuring out how many people you send versus how many sales you'll make, you'll get an idea of how well you're doing. And that is the conversion rate. Now this will update automatically and instantly in real time. Okay? All you have to do is refresh the page, and it gives you instant upgrade, or update I should say, on all these numbers. Okay? So your conversion rate, let's say I had 10 referrals and 5 sales. What's my conversion rate going to be? It's going to be 50%, okay? Because half the people that were referred purchased. And that's how the conversion rate is calculated. Now, commissions pending, available commissions, and total amount withdrawn. This is pending commissions. Sometimes somebody's payment doesn't go through or something, but they made the order. Okay, so that will show up in a pending commission, and as soon as their PayPal account or whatever goes through, because it will automatically keep trying until it goes through, it will move it out of the pending section and into the available commissions balance. This is where most of your sales will show up, unless there's a problem with that transaction. It will show up here automatically, okay? And then when you withdraw money from your affiliate account, it will show you how much you withdrew, so you can keep track of how much money you've actually downloaded from your account into your PayPal account. Okay? So once you're making money, this is showing you exactly how much you're downloading into your PayPal account. This is showing you exactly how much you've made. And this one will show you if you're owed a commission that hasn't gone through yet. Maybe the transaction failed or something. It will keep trying automatically until it goes through. Okay, now this little chart here will grow as you refer people, and it will show a list here of your customers you've referred. It will show you the sign up date, the product or service they bought, how much it was, your commission on it, and it will show the status of that sale. Okay? And now down here you can use the links to us section to get links for your products and services you're going to sell if you don't want to send them directly to the home page. See, this is your home page link. But if you want to send them directly to a checkout or something, you need to use these links down here. And we have text links, banners, and links directly to hosting plans. Okay? So first up, you're going to see the banners page. Now, if you see a banner you like, all you have, like let's say I like this red one here, all I have to do is copy the code from below it here in the box and go copy, and now go paste that code into my website. Okay? And then this banner will automatically appear. There's no uploading to be done. There's no photo to transfer or worry about. It will show up automatically as soon as you paste in the code. The code will work on sites like Blogger or WordPress or your own websites that you have access to HTML code. You can paste it in there and it will work. Okay, you can put it in PHP pages as well. Okay, so there's lots of different banners you can choose from, and the code is always underneath each banner. Just copy and paste. That's it. Don't worry about anything else. Now, if you want a text link, let's say for a YouTube video description box, click all text links, and that's going to give you access to the links. Now, this link is the same as the one at the top of the page, direct to home page. Okay, but now you're going to get into some specific links. This one is going to give you a direct link to the hosting plans page. So if you want to say check out their hosting plans here, you would use this, and that way it would skip the home page and go directly to the hosting plans page. Now here is one of our most popular hosting plans for people starting up, and it's actually called the startup plan. So if you use this link under text links, it's going to take them directly to checkout for the startup plan. So it's going to skip all the steps and take them directly to picking a domain name or transferring a domain name or even using a domain name registered somewhere else. Then they click one of those options and it will take them directly to checkout. Okay, so this link is how you do that. Now we have a product package called the Autoresponder Sales Club, which is a huge product that we have that has been really successful for people because it includes information on succeeding with autoresponders and email marketing, and we include everything you need like email swipes to make a good email campaign. We also have a Skype group in this product where you get to hands-on get help every day from myself and my partners on how to succeed with your autoresponder. We also give tips and tricks that are, you know, kind of our inside stuff. So if you join this club, you can be a part of that, and it's only $3, so this is a really great deal. So we sell a lot of this, and here is your link to make 50% of that. Now that's monthly, so that's $1.50 a month for everybody that signs up for that product. And imagine if you got 1,000 people over a year to sign up for that. That would be over $1,000. That would be $1,500 or more as it grows, if you could sell 1,000 of these over a year, you'd be making over $1,000 a month, every month, forever, for as long as they stay in this club. So all the products that are recurring are like that. So it's a really great investment for your time to sell web hosting and related products that have a recurring monthly fee. Okay? So that's basically how you get started. Let's just review that for a second. You go to vendorlockhosting.com, and then you click the link that says join our affiliate program and earn commissions. You fill in the register page, and remember to fill in the capture form that will show at the bottom. And if you're already a customer, you can log in from here. I'm already logged in, so it doesn't show the login option, but it will be under this little arrow to the right. Once you're logged in, you go to affiliates and activate your affiliate account. Once it's activated, you will see this page. You can then grab your affiliate link for the home page. You can recognize your affiliate ID number if you need it for another web page or link that I've given you where it needs your ID inserted. You can view how well you're doing with your referrals, sales, and your conversion rate, and how much money you've made and how much money you've downloaded to your PayPal account. It will show a list here of your customers, so you know exactly who bought what. And then of course you have access to banners. Down here, the code for each banner. Clicking this changes it to text links, and clicking this will change it to banners that are direct to hosting plans. Okay, so we have some animated banners as well, so you can get those if you want an animated GIF banner. And then of course we have solid banners that don't move as well, and these ones go directly to the hosting plans. It will tell you which one it is. Rate here, it says how big it is, and it tells you what hosting plan or what page it links to. Now, the best way to make some sales is to get people clicking your links, and the best ways to do that is to send it in emails. If you don't have a list or anybody to email, you want to post it in other places that might cost you a few bucks to advertise, but remember, if you're advertising your ebook for sale, it would cost you the same, and you only get paid, $7 once for your ebook, where you can get paid several dollars for a hosting account over and over and over and over and over for each customer every single month, and never have to make that sale again to get paid next month. So it's a way better way to make money. And all you have to do is grab your affiliate link here at vendorlockhosting.com to get started. Many of my packages have included web pages so you can sell products, but one of the best places to sell instantly is YouTube, and it's free. So what you do is you head on over to YouTube, make yourself a short little video about web hosting, or maybe one of the products or services offered. We offer autoresponder system that you can use on your hosting account, so you can save the cost of purchasing an Aweber account or something. So things like that you may want to make a specific video about, or you might just want to talk about the great deals we have on hosting, anything like that. But if you make a quick little video, it doesn't have to be long, even just 30 seconds. What you want to do is put your affiliate link underneath the video in the description box. Okay? Now you can use a link shrink service if you want. However, I don't recommend using them because those links can get canceled by the service without, without even warning you if they don't like your link or something. So it's kind of risky because then you don't know if people just stop clicking your link because no one's interested or if somebody's canceled your link. So, those tiny URL and stuff, I try to stay away from those. But if you use them, you can go ahead and shorten your affiliate link here or any of the ones you have for your text links here. You could use a link shrink service to make that link look smaller and prettier. If you have a hosting account with us, it's much better to use your own domain redirects, and all you have to do is log into your cPanel, click on redirects, and basically you just paste in a real link, like say your affiliate link, and then create a directory, let's say hosting. Then you could put your link in your video description box as http://yourdomain/hosting. Now, doesn't that sound a lot more professional and look a lot more professional than a link with, lots of numbers in it? It shortens it, and then of course it's on your own domain, so it can't get canceled by anyone but you. So therefore, it's a safer link to use than a short link like tiny URL. A lot of people don't click those tiny URL links and stuff anymore because they're so associated with spam and stuff that people just tend to stay away from them. So if you have a decent domain name like mybusiness.com/hosting, they're going to look at that as much more professional and go, okay, mybusiness.com/hosting. Now that's just a random example of a domain name, but it's the proper way to use a redirect instead of using those link shrink services. Okay, so you want to head over to YouTube, upload a video. You can make videos any which way you like. There's so many products that make videos now. You don't even have to know how to make a video. You can just go ahead and make one. There's even free online services if you don't have software. If you want to just slap 3 clips together of a web server, a computer, a laptop, and a happy person with a smiley face, you could do that and just have still pictures as your video. You can even go directly to YouTube. So I'm just going to head over to YouTube so I can show you. When you go to upload a video, you have some options to the right here where you can record a webcam video. Now this is great for doing a review type video. You can say, hi, my name is so-and-so. I've checked out this company and it's really great. They've got the best hosting available, unlimited disk space and unlimited bandwidth for the lowest possible price, and they have a lot of great other software like autoresponders and stuff that you can add to your hosting account to save you money, and you have more control over your email lists, etc., etc. You could say something like that with a webcam video and then put your affiliate link underneath. Be sure in your video to say click the link below to get the great deal. Basically point it out too, and even add text to the video if you can, or an annotation that says click the link below. You want to say it, you want to print it in text, and you want to point it out if you're on the video doing like a webcam video. If it's you, point downward to the link and say click below to get it right now, or to get this special offer. Okay, and really entice them to click that link, because that's your key focus is to get them to click that link. Okay, so make sure you mention it and put it in text. So you can make a webcam video right here on YouTube if you don't have software. You can create a photo slideshow like I just mentioned of still pictures, and then maybe add an annotation and a narration to it and say the same thing. So you don't have to be in the video. It could just be some still pictures. You also have a few other options here. You can do a video edit straight right here on YouTube. You can also broadcast a Hangout from Google+. Those things might be a little bit more complicated. I recommend uploading a video from your software by clicking here, or click record webcam, or create a photo slideshow. Okay? Now, when you upload the video, you get a few options depending on your account, but if you aren't able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you'll see a link down here that says you can do that as long as you verify your account. Now, I don't recommend making videos over 15 minutes. We're trying to entice people to click your link for, you know, a hosting plan or something. Make your videos very short. Even 30 seconds is long. It's a lot longer than you think it is when you're watching something. So if you're just trying to get them to click the link for a great deal, if you're doing a webcam video or a photo slideshow, or made your own video in your video editing software that you're going to upload, make sure it's short and sweet and to the point. Explain why you like the service. Explain where to get the service through the link below, kind of thing. And that's about it. Okay, you don't want to ramble on forever and ever like I do. Okay, this video is for teaching you, though. This is not a video I would post on YouTube to get somebody to click a link. Okay, this is an education video. It's much different. I'm trying to explain things very thoroughly, whereas a video you would use for this situation I'm talking about would be a very short 20 or 30 second video, straight to the point. Try to sound excited if you're in the video or doing the narration. Okay, so now that you know how to make a YouTube video and advertise your affiliate link, that's one of the best ways you can start getting people to click your links. Be sure to take a few minutes out of your day and do a little bit of keyword research. Okay, go to your keyword tool if you have one, or the Google AdWords keyword tool. You can just search for that in Google to find it, and try to find some relative keywords to your main keywords that you can add in your description box and in your video tags on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is going to get you into the search engine Google very quickly as well, so your first strike should definitely be YouTube. Okay, you're going to get more hits this way. People watch video, people use the search engine on YouTube and in Google. Google videos will come up, or sorry, YouTube videos will come up in Google when searched, as long as you have some decent keywords as your tags and in your description box and in your title. Okay, don't make long titles, make them short and sweet, to the point, and be sure to include a couple keywords like best deal on web hosting as an example. Make sure you have best deal web hosting as a keyword in your description box. Make sure you put hosting and best and cheap and all the words you might find related to the word hosting that people are going to type into Google to find your video. Okay, so get your video found by using keywords in the tags, description, and title. Build your video right here on YouTube or in your software that you have on your computer and upload it. Be sure to put your link in the description box first. It's the only thing that shows is the first line or two of your description. So put the link first in your description and the description after it. Okay, link first. Absolutely number one thing that goes in the box is your link. Okay, make sure you put the http:// in front of your link, your affiliate link or your shortened domain link. because otherwise it won't be an active link when people view your video. They won't be able to click it. Okay, they need to be able to click it. It has to be an active hyperlink, and the way to do that is when you write it in the description box, put http yourdomain.com/hosting if that's your shortened link. If you want to use just the direct affiliate link, our affiliate links at VendorLock Hosting are pretty short and aren't complicated looking, so you can go ahead and just use the direct affiliate link if you want to. Okay, but basically you want to use your time more wisely and market a product that's not going to pay you $7 once, but perhaps pay you $7 over and over and over and over monthly. And that does happen, because let's say they buy a hosting account for $3 a month. Then they upgrade a bunch of their items, like maybe they need unlimited databases and stuff, so they buy a few add-ons for $1 a month. Then they go and buy a couple domain names that they're going to renew every year, and then maybe they upgrade and get an autoresponder for $6 a month added to their account. Now they're paying like $14 a month, you know, and you're going to get half of that. Okay, so now you're getting your $7 every single month instead of selling one single ebook and losing that customer forever. Okay, so if you have any questions about how to sell web hosting, you can contact me at support@vendorlockhosting.com. Okay, or you can go directly to our website at vendorlockhosting.com. You can use the support ticket system inside your account, and you can also contact me on YouTube or wherever you found this video package that you're watching right now. Okay, so there's lots of ways to get a hold of me. And again, my email is support@vendorlockhosting.com. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you get started selling something that's more worth your time, because web hosting is definitely something that pays you over and over and over again and is worth your time, whereas selling an ebook or a software product one time is maybe not such a good investment for your time if you're trying to grow an online business. If you use our system, it will be exactly as I showed you, and we have the very best cookie system out there. 90 days is 3 whole months that you can still get commissions for a customer that clicked your link on anything they purchase or upgrade. And it doesn't matter how they get back to the site. Could be 2.5 months later, they could come to our main hosting site, vendorlockhosting.com, all on their own, and you would still get the commission. Okay? So, how to sell web hosting is very easy. You basically want to start with YouTube and your description boxes, and make sure you get your videos found using the right keywords and tags. You want to post your links on Facebook, any social media sites you have access to. You want to purchase ads on forums. Okay, ads work. Okay, especially forum ads. Instead of spending all that money to make a few ebook sales, make that money, that same amount of money selling hosting, and then the next month you get that money again and again and again. Okay, so anything you spend your money on, like an advertisement, is going to give you a better ROI, or return on investment, if you're selling web hosting. Let's say you bought an ad for $50 and the ad only brought you $30 in sales for your ebook. Well, you lost $20, didn't you? But if you're selling web hosting and you only made $30, you still lost $20, but the next month you get paid $30 again, so now you're up $10. And then the next month you get paid $30 again, now you're up $40. You get paid next month again and again and again. And so therefore that one ad that could have been a failure for another product, even if it doesn't make all the money back the first day. You're going to be selling something that pays you over and over and over again. So there's a really good chance you're going to recoup your losses even if you made a really crappy ad and didn't get a lot of clicks or sales. Okay? So selling web hosting is definitely the way to go if you want to make money online. I make over $10,000 a month selling web hosting, and a lot of it is just recurring now. I'm not really working hard to make new sales. They just come naturally on their own. People find my site in Google. I make sales through forums and advertisements. But basically, even if I were to stop working right now, I would still make at least $10,000 a month off my hosting. All I have to do is make sure people keep buying domain names and paying their monthly fees. Of course, the system is set up to automatically close their account if they don't pay, so I really don't have to do anything once I've made the original sale. And it'll be the same for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, my email is support@vendorlockhosting.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.